this video we are going to be looking at how to install Listeo, directory and listings with bookings WordPress theme. So after downloading this script, look at the script, some features of the script, you can get it. So after downloading the script, I go straight to my dashboard. Here's my dashboard. From my dashboard, I go to my appearance. I click on appearance. As you can see, this is the default theme. That's why it is written customized. Every other one are just there. They have been used before, but this is the default theme, or they have been installed before. So now, because I have my theme already, I click on add new theme. So the theme is already on my system. That's why I'm going to click on upload theme. Then it's going to choose file. I click on choose file. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install this theme or customize the theme. So now this is the theme I want to select, and I click on open, install now. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Next, I click on install now. Then next, I click on activate. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Use the affiliate link in the description. Use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me coffee if this video is helpful. Then next, I click on let's go. Thank you for activating your Listeo license. Let's go. Next, I scroll down. I click on continue. So it's going to install all the default plugins. For your tech project, please use the engagement link to engage me for your tech project, either from scratch or for customization. Then next, I scroll down, continue. I click on continue. So it's going to install the default content for the theme, like the media, contact form, post, pages, listings, and rest. So next, I click on continue. So now it's going to do the theme customization for us. Next, I click on continue again. So now I'm going to skip this for now. I'm going to skip this step. I can now go to my site, view your new website. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, please use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Also, don't forget to use the engagement link to engage me to help you install or customize your theme. I have successfully installed my theme on my cPanel or my server. So as you can see, this is it, and it's very beautiful. So for your theme installation or customization, or installation and customization, please use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you for your job. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if this video is helpful, please use the buy me a coffee link in description to buy me a coffee. For your tech projects, even from scratch, please, or customization, please use the engage me link to engage me for your tech project. Thank you.